Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and we are at my mother's house today and we're going to be zhuzhing up her kitchen, basically giving it a makeover on a budget. So this is before any work has been done to the kitchen. So all I'm going to be doing now is removing all the cabinet doors just to prepare them for washing and scrubbing, because this is the busiest place in the whole house. You know, you need to wash off all the oils because yeah man. So I'm just removing every single one and then labeling each door so that whenever I have to put them back, I'm not really confused as to which door belongs where. I do really recommend you do this as well. My doors were pretty easy to remove. I just used a screwdriver to remove them. I don't know that there's different doors come out differently, but mine was pretty easy to remove, that is. So I did all this prep work just the night before whilst everybody was sleeping, just to prepare it for tomorrow, and I'm going to remove the rest of the doors off camera. Okay, so good morning guys. So all I did last night was remove all the cupboard doors and just cleared out everything inside the cupboards, and this is what it looks like currently. Oh, and then I didn't clear out that side because I'm not going to be painting in there, but yeah, well, I'm not going to be painting in here too, but yeah. And then I removed all the handles because we're going to be changing those, and yeah, let's get started. So I've already mixed my sugar soap in lukewarm water. So all I'm doing now is cleaning the inside of these cupboards. So I scrubbed and scrubbed because I really wanted it squeaky clean. So you do the same until it's very clean. So these were all my doors after I'd finished removing them, and just going to start scrubbing them down as well. Don't mind how I'm dressed, it was still very early in the morning, as you can see. And my puppy just wanted to be featured, so hey, there he is, just minding his own business. So scrub it down nicely and then we'll leave it to dry. So after my cabinets have dried, I'm just going to be using my sander with the 120 grit sanding paper, and I'm just going to sand it lightly. Just going to sand everywhere where I'm going to be applying the primer and the paint, just to give it that smooth finish and so that the paint sticks to the wood. Please wear a mask when you sand. Don't be like me. It's just that the last thing you want to do because of this whole COVID-19 when you're at home is wear a mask. So, but please wear a mask when you do this. And then the last thing I did in order to prep for my primer is just grabbed a brush and a cloth just to dust down the dust and just wipe it down so that it's very smooth for when I apply my primer, and it doesn't have any bubbles when I apply it or any humps or whatever. So this is the primer I'm going to be using by Rentcon, a universal primer. and I couldn't find anything to mix with at home to mix my paint. So hey, I improvised and I just used whatever I could find. I honestly don't know why that plastic is there, because it really was not useful. After some time, the paint started going through to the actual container. So at this moment, I knew there's just no going back. I've already committed, so hey, the job must be done. Very nervous at this point, but we move. So please don't be like me. Apply your masking tape before you even start painting. For me, I even forgot about the masking tape until I realized that this job definitely needs a masking tape. I'm not that neat, I'm very clumsy. So please apply your masking tape before you start painting. So this is after the first coat of the primer. I'm not really sure what it's supposed to look like, so I guess I'm happy with how it looks like so far. But this is the first coat of the primer on all the cabinets. So I've already mixed my wood filler, and I'm just going to be filling in the holes because we're changing all the door handles. So wherever there was previous handles, I'm just going to apply my wood filler. So I know, preferably do this before you even apply your first coat, but I misplaced my wood filler, so I had to rush to my hardware store and get another one. Yeah, luckily I had not started with the doors yet, so the cabinet doors, but preferably do this before paint. I then went on and applied the wood filler on my cabinet doors as well. Just like I had mentioned, I had not started with the primer on my doors yet. So all I'm doing now is sanding down the whole area where I applied the wood filler as well as the first coat, just to prepare it for the second coat. You need to sand with an 80 grit sanding paper, just lightly sand it down, don't be too rough. So I've applied the primer on my doors as well. Welcome back, guys. So I just I'm only starting now because I just came back home from my doctor's appointment. I am fine, but last night I did apply first coat and second coat. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. This is with the second coat, as you guys can see, with the cabinet doors, and then you move on over to the cupboards. I am very happy with the white so far because you can hardly see the brown. So I think it's pretty much ready for us to apply the paint now. So I'm going to sand down everything using my 80 grit sanding paper, sanding it down lightly. I'm sanding down everything to prepare it for the paint, the first coat of the paint. Okay, so now I'm going to reveal the color. We are going to be painting the kitchen. Side note, my mom chose the color, so if it doesn't turn out well, my mom chose the color, okay? We are going black. So we're going to be painting. I've already mixed my paint, and let's just see on camera, raw, the first, first mark. Oh wow, actually it's actually nice. Well, it's very different, okay? But I love it. But I love it so far, I guess. I love the fact that the brown is literally non-existent at this point. It's like there is no brown. So I'm just going to paint the rest of it off camera so that you guys can see. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like now with the first coat of the black paint. I am really digging the whole black. I think my mom chose the perfect color, although I was not sure at first, but I think this is beautiful. I love it. And yeah, and this is the first coat. And let's have a look. So I'm still going to apply the second coat. And then yeah, doors yet, the cabinet doors, they're still over there, so those still need painting. So I'm going to paint that now before applying the second coat, so that when I apply the second coat, I apply the second coat for everything. Okay guys, so I am done. I'm done with the second coat of the paint, and it's 10 to 1 a.m. and I'm tired, so I'm just going to call it a night. But I finished the second coat for everything, including the doors. But however, the doors tomorrow, I just need to flip them around. Yeah, so good night and see you tomorrow. In your guys' case, see you literally in like the next 30 seconds or 2 seconds. But for me, anyway, guys, good night. Let me go sleep. Bye for now. Okay guys, morning guys. So as you guys remember from last night, we did apply the second coat on all the cabinets, and then we applied the first coat and the second coat on top. So I had to apply the second coat underneath the cabinets. Yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like now. I think this is actually done with all of this. This is final finale of it. I'm just gonna do some touch-ups on the other cabinets. I'm just going to do some touch-ups, but this is pretty much what it looks like. I'm so scared to even touch it. Is it dry? Oh, it is. So it's very matte. It's a matte finish, and yeah. So I did ask if I have to apply a sealant maybe of some sort after this, and they were like, nope, that's not necessary. I don't have to do that. It dries matte. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Accessorize the cabinets. I need to put back the cabinets, and then you just need to accessorize. And I did buy new handles. If you guys remember, these were the old ones. Let me show you. These are the ones we had. So I'm preparing them because I'm going to be changing the color. You guys will see what color I'm going to be doing. This was honestly the most fun part for me of this whole project, was spray painting everything gold. I may have gotten a little bit too excited with the spray paint, and I just wanted to spray paint everything gold, because gold is one of my favorite colors, as you guys know from my apartment tour. So I just wanted to spray paint everything gold. Like I said, I got too excited with the spray paint, so I just wanted to spray paint everything. So please do not judge me. I love my tap gold, okay? Hi guys, so we are back. I am completely done I did have to wait for the paint to dry overnight yesterday. Don't mind my dog who just wants to be featured. Okay, so I'm completely done. Hi. Okay, I'm filming. Bye. Okay, she doesn't want to leave now. Don't jump on me. Oh my god. Jiggy, stop. Jiggy, stop it. Okay, you can cut. Sorry about that. Okay guys, so before I let you guys in, I just wanted to say thank you for making it this far into the video, and any extras that I will be adding onto the kitchen, like the decorative side of things, I will be adding it to my other social media platforms on Twitter and on Instagram. I'll be updating all of that there. I will leave my social media links on the description box below. And yeah, so without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the video. So this was a last minute thing, I won't even lie, but it's beautiful, I like it. And then our bread bin, well, as we call it in South Africa, I don't know about my international viewers, but you guys call it in your country, but in South Africa we call it a bread bin. Spray painted it gold, and then yeah, move on over, and then here, and then I don't know if you guys remember, this microwave was all the way over that other side there, so I didn't really like it much there, and so I decided to move it there and just drill there at the bottom. And yeah, I think it's a perfect. Don't mind my lounge, it's still extremely dirty because we had to move every single thing from the kitchen, so it's a mess that side. And then yeah, just show you from this angle. Let me just also show you guys the inside. These are the handles. Close up. And let me just show you guys the inside, what it looks like. So all the cabinets, the sides, black, and the inside is white. Let me show you with this big one as well. So they're all the same. Yeah, thank you so much guys. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications, and bye till the next video.